Hey guys, Ronald here, aka UB-Wan, this time with a new video introducing the signal servers we're gonna provide on Ultra Bonds. With this video I'm gonna show to you guys how these signals work, how these signals got provided, how you can trade these signals. We've been running tests with these signals and developing this algorithm for last couple of months. We tested a lot of real-time market data, market replay, live data, and with this video I'm going to show you some examples of today, the London session and the bond open session, how these signals worked and how you can trade them. So let's get to it. First of all, it's pretty simple. You will get a standard pretty basic how-to training video, how to trade these signals, of course, when you want to subscribe to the signal service, and you will also get free chart template, so you get a similar representation of price ultra bond like you see in this screen, similar. So I'm gonna teach you in that video basic principles on how to spot the trend or the structure, that kind of stuff. But mostly you don't need too much trading information to follow these signals. Let me explain more how it worked out. So for today, this is London. London was opened here, and as you can see, even if you don't understand trends and swing high, swing low, high lows, lower lows, etc., you can still see this price is moving up. On this chart you see the Renko chart. Of course we use Renko 1 tick brick size per Renko. This is Ninja free Renko. We see price moving up, and until this time we don't have any signals over here. Then our signal algorithm send out a signal, this time over here, and the signal was buy, and then you can do two things. The signal was buy. The signal will be provided in Telegram or in Discord. We're not 100% sure what platform we're going to choose, but they will be provided in one of those two platforms. So you get the signal at this moment to buy from this price level. There are two options. The best option is to buy the first pullback. So you get the signal buy first pullback. If you are more an aggressive trader and you want to spread, or you want to spread the risk, maybe you can directly buy from the signal, as long as your price is not too much away from the signal. But this is the first pullback you can buy. In this case, this was the buy signal. You have a lot of time. You mark this signal on your chart like this, and you just know, okay, I buy the first pullback. Price moved up, made a pullback. This was the first pullback. So this was a winner, right? And then we wait. Price is doing a lot. It was interacting at this level. Not interesting. We just wait for the next signal. Then there's a new signal. Of course, we see price moving up here, up, making waves. Price moves in waves. Price is moving upwards. We get a signal here, same signal, buy on first pullback. Two options. You might think or see this as a pullback because price dropped and then continued, so you might enter here, or you might enter on the first pullback. Both trades work out and they're a winner, right? Trade management, stop management. How big is the stop loss? How big is it a TP target? I would suggest to use a 3, maybe 4 tick stop standard on these kind of setups, like we're used to on ultra bonds, and have a TP of 4, 5, 6 or more ticks. I'm more of a manual kind of guy. You might also trail your stop, like if you enter directly here, you can trail it. Most important thing for me to advise you guys is, as soon as your trade is in profit, when it's 3 ticks in profit, move your stop to 1 tick, -1. So example, you take this trade, you enter here or you enter here, doesn't matter. As soon as this thing is 3 ticks in profit, move your stop to 1, -1 stop loss. And your TP can be 4, 5, 6, whatever ticks, 8 ticks. Some trades really work out, they move like 10 ticks, but I would just advise to manage your TP maybe manually, or just let it run for 6 ticks and be happy with it. I'm more a 6 tick kind of guy, but some trades really move bigger moves like this. It also depends on the structure. In this case, it's bounced off this standard deviation level of the VWAP, so this would be a logical target for a long. So that is trade and stop management. Then here we get a new signal. Signal service sell, next pullback. It's over here. Here we got the signal. And this is the next pullback. So aggressive, you can directly enter, or less aggressive, you enter on the first pullback. Winner, winner, winner. 3 winners. 3 trades during London. You have made at least 6 ticks per trade, maybe even more. 6 ticks on a funded account, on a combine, and you trade like me, 4 contracts. You trade 4 contracts. 6 ticks is 750 USD. 750 USD. This is 1500, 2250. You would already made with these 3 trades made 2250 USD. 3 trades, only London. 3 signals, right? Just showing you how this thing works. We wait, maybe you trade manual, some other setups, we just wait. This is an interesting thing. Here we got a signal that reversed. Sometimes this happens. We got a sell signal here. Sell, next pullback. You sell here, didn't work out. Aggressively, right? This is on top of the point of control. I would not trade point of control that much this close, but it's a signal. Okay, this one didn't work out. It's very important to know what to do when the signal got reversed. 1 out of 6, 7, 8 signals may reverse, and they do exactly the same thing, but they just reversed. So in this case, this was a sell signal that didn't work out. So you traded this short and then it reversed. You can directly enter aggressively in the other direction, or wait for the next pullback in the other direction. The sell didn't work out and the signal reversed. This thing worked out. So you would have taken a loss of 3 ticks, at least maybe around 3 ticks on this one, but you would have made up with it with 3, 4 ticks profit going long on the next long signal. Correct? I hope you guys see this. I will explain later more about how these signals are provided, what the story is behind the signals. This is an algorithm based on level 2 data from a rhythmic data feed, and it's based on big market orders, no retail orders, not so much retail orders, but the big fish, the paper, the banks, the hedge funds, etc. And we will explain more how these signals are provided and how they are based, but this video is more for showing you guys some examples. So this one reversed, loss, we win on taking the reversal. Perfect, all good. Then we get a sell signal. There was no real pullback. We had some candles with wicks. You might call it a pullback. I don't call it a pullback. It's no pullback. So this thing moved way too much. And on the next one, this would be the pullback short, right? We get another sell signal. And you take the pullback. So you take the first rotation moving downwards. Or you go aggressively, or you take the first rotation downwards. That's this one. So this is also just after lunchtime. This is going to EU end of lunchtime. End of lunchtime. I find signals during lunchtime for Europe a little bit higher risk. I'm at GMT +1, 12 o'clock lunchtime till around 1 o'clock, and you many times see it's more kind of a ranging period. Market is more ranging in this area. So I find the signals and the setups during the lunchtime higher risk. In the manual provided with the signal service, this kind of information will be provided. So lunchtime ended, short signal. Here we get a buy signal. Buy first pullback, this one or this one. You buy and you might get stopped out or take only 4 ticks. Never let a winning trade become a losing trade. If you enter this trade on the second candle, third candle, whatever, you got enough time to enter this thing. You enter it here and you're 3 ticks in profit, 4 ticks. Don't take any losses on a trade that moves this much in profit and then goes against you. So don't let a winning trade become a losing trade. Worst case scenario, you would have taken 1 tick loss on this one. We wait. Perfect. Then we get sell signal. Sell signal. Enter this one or this one. You might even take this one. This is a winner. This would be break even or -1. Okay? You have enough time to enter this one. I would enter here. Just enter it because you see it's a sort of a pullback. This is also a VWAP trade, and VWAP trades signals on top of the VWAP are higher risk. Also, this information will be provided in the manual how to trade these signals, in the video and the manual. VWAP trades, signals this close to the VWAP are higher risk, but it's up to you if you want to take them or not. They are signals, same as the signals during lunchtime. There are signals, but a little bit higher risk. I let it up to you, the user, to make the choice. Potential correctional move, correction of this move. This is a secondary signal. This is not a standard signal. This signal tells us we had a push, like here, a big push, and this push might be corrected. What does that mean? We're pushing up, and what we are looking for is similar to a buy or sell signal. This move up might be corrected, but for those who have a little bit more experience in trading, they might trade these signals because this move might be corrected and you just want to get in on lower high. You see this area is being rejected here, and you might take shorts from here because there's a big chance this thing might get corrected. It corrected for like 50%. So these are signals. This one, this one, this one, a correction. Corrections are most of the time 50 to 80% even. We see corrections a little bit higher risk, secondary trades. We are not 100% sure if we want to add in these signals because needs a little bit more experience of the trader, but still, if you understand how to trade the signals with some basic knowledge, I think most people will be able to trade these signals with the right trade management. I will also provide a secondary video with the focus on trade management based on these signals. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. These were the signals during the London and the bond open session. We had these signals, and this is what I wanted to share with you. Let me know what you think. If you want a free trial of this signal service, this is going to be a paid service in the near future. We'll be releasing this in 1 or 2 weeks. It will be a paid service. I'm also running this same algorithm, the same service for gold. This is what I'm showing you is for ultra bonds. We're going to offer this same system also for gold, and with a small upgrade you can also get the signals on gold. You can choose gold or bonds only, or bonds and gold. It's possible. You can try it for free for a week, maybe 2 weeks, it's no problem. Please let me know if you have any questions, if you are interested in this signal service, and let me know what you think. Hope you liked the video. See you guys.